Welcome to Mahalaya e-learning. This is Soumya here. Today we are going to see the topic Data Abstraction Part 1. Let us see introduction for data abstraction. Data abstraction is a powerful concept for the programmers. First, let us know what is data abstraction. For example, if someone asks me that how will you get an apple? The simple answer is I will get an apple from a tree. But to get an apple, there is a long process have been done. Here we are hiding those details and giving the abstract answer. This is what data abstraction. The same way, let us consider a project. The project is developed by several persons. If a person that means if a third person wants to know about the project, he need not to study the entire project. To know about the project, abstraction of the project is enough to know. The abstraction provides modularity. Modularity splits a program into many modules. Here the classes are the representation for abstract data type. Abstract data type. Abstract data type object behavior is defined by set of value and set of operations. That is, you are going to mention that what operation have been specified but not how those operations are implemented. The process of providing only the essential and hiding the detail is known as abstraction. There you have two types of function. They are constructor and selector. Let us see constructor. Constructor are functions that build the abstract data type. Let us see an example to build the abstract data type. Here you can see the abstract data type called city and it has three objects namely name, latitude and longitude. Selector. Selector is a function that retrieves information from the data type to extract the information of a city object. You should use functions given in the example. Already we have created a abstract data type called city. There we have hidden some details that is called name, latitude and longitude. So just we are calling that as a city, but it has three meanings. That means the city name, the city located place, that is called latitude and longitude. To get these information, to extract these information, we are using selector function. So here we have created three selector function. They are get name, get lat and get long. So the constructor will build the abstract data type and the selector will retrieve the data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.